dropped a little bit.
Yeah, but just this stuff, they just look so interesting. Like, just look at the colours as well.
Look at that stuff.
Yeah, that's Patrick from Swan.
Live for sight. It will engulf the pathogens.
जबरदस्त बहुत जबरदस्त चीज़ है बस साथ ही चलते हैं 1 मिनट बनाती हूँ
Maybe I'll get the same one.
Can you imagine?
What?
We're just saying what the dinosaur. No, the fly boss.
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದದ ಅದ್ರ ನೆರಳು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂಟದ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫೇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಲಿಗತೆ ಮೀನ್ ಅದ ಹಿಂಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
I came down
I was
there.
too busy watching the tail.
Yes, I was
No, I saw how it did it. I saw how it did it.
Look like they just peacefully sit. I'm guessing all of these fishes just get along with each other.
I want to look
Look, you're going to see a turtle.
I want to look at the turtle. Look at that turtle.
You can see a turtle come out there.
Yeah, that's what I want to get in.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Try and get the pictures.
Oh, I see her.
Wow.
He's gonna do it again. He's gonna do it again. Can you see him down there? He's gonna do it again.
Is that the same one?
Yeah.
I bet he waited.
I think I might
For an unsuspecting victim. Didn't he?
It was right over there as well.
ओए वो कितनी बड़ी है वो देखिए वो कितनी बड़ी आई है
Look, this, that's a whale. And the chicken turtle. Do you want to pet up a turtle?
इन्नो बड़ा कछुआ
Look at the stick.
ओए ओए उफ कितना बड़ा
Mommy, look, there's a stingray right there. Wow. Where is he swimming? Come on, Papa, da ist ein Rochen. Papa. Ja, da. Look, what's that? Get
Oh my god. Ooh.
هاي حمودي تشوف الثاني يلا.
How exciting.
Watch a fish spin. These spin. They spin. I'm sure it's these ones.
T'as vu quand c'est là qui se transforme en gros.
That's the enemy tank.
Here's more of the
That's what your friends about this is.
side.
They stink every other spot.
And here the hard one.
But those are
Oh, it's right there. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, did you
Cái này đi em thấy tiếp.
Này đi, đưa mạch rêu vào chữ đi.
Alors aussi c'est petit coca.
Oui, mais regarde, on dirait que c'est le hélice.
Bây giờ em cái đồ mà
Не палим, надо. Mettez палим.
Baba, look behind. Mommy.
Like you got Mama, Mama come here, Mama come here. Muhammad.
Should I get him?
Sit down.
I'm good then. Oh, I found the crocodile.
Can you guess?
I found some more turtles. Oh, but I want to do that.
Oh, cool. Good job.
I found it. I found it.
Well done.
I found the crocodile. I found some more turtles. There's a crocodile.
Hello, we're playing Spot the Crop. So if you can find Forrest the crocodile in here and point him out, you can get a nice sticker.
I found the crocodile.
Yep. Cool, well done. Thank you. It's alright.
Oh, I discovered the crocodile.
Good job. There you go.
You guys want the sticker?
D and then his tail comes here, but this is just one.
You want to get the sticker?
Separate. So I'm sure the thing on that.
Did you find Forrest the crocodile?
Oh, an alligator. Biggest fish, biggest one, biggest one, biggest one, pull it, biggest one. Can you guys look? Biggest one, biggest one. Oh, it touched that one. Oh, look, that's the biggest one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, they are huge. That one's probably the hugest one there.
Ça c'est des piranhas.
ये वाली ना पता क्या मैं जाहिद के लिए बना रही हूँ सारी ना ये आ गए पेंगुइन्स
वो देखो ना वो बैठे हुए
आपने नहीं अच्छा दूर है वो इधर करीब नहीं है ना अच्छा सॉरी
Ja, je kijkt als dat. Guys.
Jetzt kann man verstaan, we zeker het hebben.
Hey guys, everybody stop.
ये वहीं का वहीं अकेला ये देखा वो कह रहे हैं कि मत मारें इस शीशे पे लिखा हुआ है ये देखें पता नहीं क्यों बैठा हुआ है चुप ऐसे खामोश उठ के खड़ा हो थोड़ा सा तो देख लें चलो कोई नहीं ये जी हम लोग देखो किस जोन में है कि जब बर्फ का तूफान आता है तो कैसे फील होता है हम लोग इसके अंदर बंद हैं और फील कर रहे हैं ये देखो ये यहाँ से बिल्कुल ऐसा बर्फ का तूफान आ रहा है ये उस तरह से है ये देखो ओह माय गॉड वो देखो कितनी तेज हवा जा रही है अल्लाह बस खत्म हो गया
This means that they never have to leave the water.
Our tanks are specially designed so that we have really good access to the top to the sides of the tube.
We culture all types of jellyfish here at Sea Life Rescue Area. These are some of the species that we breed from polyp to medusa.
Oh, the changing colours.
Speak now, that's like and the white spotted jellyfish. We sometimes get over 100 baby jellyfish within a day. Some of our babies start to just I didn't think they looked like this, you know.
The blue is fast. No, because they're just floating around and the water is just moving. Oh, look at this baby.
Look at that. There, down there.
Oh my god, the bird. Wow. Look, it's so long.
Honey, come to me once you're done.
It's called upside down jellyfish. Such
Upside down.